everyone, how are you today? Now I will to present about the first topic that are understanding food and beverage. Before that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nulputu Anggreni, but you can call me Anggreni. Number 8, and I study at the Polytechnic Negeri Bali, majoring in Tourism Business Management in class 4A. Well, talking about understanding food and beverage, you have to know the definition of food and also beverage. And I will start from definition of food. There are two definitions of food. The first one, food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is usually of plant, animals, or fungal in origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, or minerals. And the second one, food is substance consisting essentially of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and other nutrients used in the body of an organism to sustain growth and vital process and to furnish energy. Furthermore, there are 6 classifications of food. The first one is according to the chemical nature, such as carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, dietary fiber, fats, and also water minerals. Next is number 2, according to their function in the body. Has 3 categories. The name is energy-giving food, body-building food, protective food. For the energy-giving food, the carbohydrates, fats, and the protein are considered as calorie nutrients. For the example are rice, chapati, bread, potato, sugar, oil, and butter. For the bodybuilding foods such as protein, fats, and carbohydrates are also called as bodybuilding foods. For the example are fish, milk, chicken, eggs, pulses, and nuts. For the protective foods, vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that function to regulate body process. For the example are fruits and vegetables. Next is number 3. According to chemical properties, has 2 categories. The name is organic and inorganic. For the organic is nutrients that contain the element of carbon. There are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and vitamins. And for the inorganic is nutrients that do not contain carbon. There are water and minerals. Next is number 4. According to its mass, it has 2 classifications. The name is macronutrients and micronutrients. For the macronutrients are required in large quantities daily such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. And for the micronutrients are needed in small quantities such as vitamins and minerals. Next is number 5. According to its origin, depending upon the origin of food, it has been classified as animal food source and plant food source. And the last one is according to its nutritive value. Have 12 categories such as cereal and millets, pulses, nut and oil sands, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, non-leafy vegetables, roots and tuber, fruit, meat and milk product, animal foods, carbohydrate foods, and also condiments and spices. And now is definition of beverage. There are 4 definitions of beverage. The first one, a beverage is any type of drink. Number 2, a beverage is a liquid for human consumption by drinking. Number 3, a beverage is any one of various liquids for drinking, usually excluding water. And the last one is beverage, any liquid for drinking, especially one other than water. Well, why water is not included in the beverage? Yes, because in the North American hospitality industry, the word beverage is restricted to main alcoholic liquids with other beverages such as soft drink, juice, water, coffee, tea, extracting being run into the tills as food items. So, there are two classifications of beverage such as alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage. For the alcoholic beverage is portable liquid which contain 2% to 75% of liquor. They are produced by the introduction of yeast for fermentation into substances such as fruit, cereal, molasses, and plant extracts. His has been divided into two categories. There are as follows: fermentation alcoholic beverage, there are wine and beer. Distillated alcoholic beverage is an alcoholic beverage produced by distillation of a mixture produced from alcoholic fermentation. For the example are wine, rum, whiskey, and vodka. And for the non-alcoholic beverage is a drink that do not contain alcohol. For the example is tea, coffee, and juice. Well, that's all our presentation about understanding food and beverage. I hope that my explanation about food and beverage can provide useful knowledge for you. Thank you for attention and have a nice day. Goodbye.